Hello everyone! Today we will analyze one of the most transparent and profitable affiliate programs on the financial market, the program from the LiteFinance broker. If you have ever thought about starting to earn money not only by trading but also by attracting clients, this video for you. We will analyze in detail how the system works, how much you can earn, and what steps you need to take right now to launch this source of income. Let's get straight to the point. The affiliate program is mutually beneficial cooperation. You bring new clients to LiteFinance, and the company shares with you part of its income, which is received from the trading activities of these clients. The most important thing is that your income is directly tied to the success of those you attract. If your referral trades successfully and actively, you also earn. This is fair. It all starts with a simple registration. You create not only a trading account, but also an affiliate account in LiteFinance. It's free and takes a couple of minutes. You're immediately given a unique affiliate code and affiliate link. This is your key tool. Anyone who follows this link and opens an account automatically becomes your referral and is assigned to you. You post this link on your social networks, website, blog, tell your friends or colleagues about it. Everyone who registers using your link will be your referrals. Even if your referral opens several more accounts in LiteFinance in the future, this person will still remain attached to you. The company automatically registers your code in all his subsequent accounts. You do not lose anything. Now, the most interesting part is how your money is calculated. A partner's income is a percentage of the broker's commission. There are two main types of client accounts, and you get a percentage from each: classic and cent accounts. Here, the broker's commission is called markup. Your reward is up to 70% of this markup. That is, you get a solid chunk from each deal of your referral EACN accounts. Here, the broker's commission is fixed fee per turnover. Your reward is also up to 70% of this commission. What does up to 70% mean? Your rate depends on your activity. If you attract clients in a month who replenish their account with a total of $5,000 or traded 100 lots, then the maximum rate of 70% applies to you next month. If the bar is not reached, the rate remains at the generous 30%. This is excellent motivation to constantly develop your affiliate network. I will leave detailed tables on the size of markups and commissions for all currency pairs and assets for you in the descriptions under this video. Your reward is credited automatically to your main trading account every day. You can use this money for trading immediately or withdraw it. The LiteFinance affiliate program is multi-level. This means that you can attract not only traders, but also other partners. Such an attractive partner is called a sub-partner. What does this give to you? You will receive 10% of all commissions that your sub-partner earns from their referrals. And this is a truly passive income. You have built the first line of your team, and now you earn on its activity. To keep your affiliate activity going, the program has a simple activity rule. You must remain an active partner. An active affiliate is one who has at least one active referral that has registered within the last 90 days. Who is an active referral? This is a client from whom you receive a commission in the last 30 days from the 5 transactions. Simply put, every 3 months you need to attract at least one new client who will not only register but also start trading. This will ensure that you will constantly receive your commission at high rate and stay in the system. You can straighten your offer through LiteFinance tools. For example, cashback is your competitive advantage. You can assign your referrals a return of part of your reward. That is, you decide what percentage of your commission to return to your clients. Complete security. The company takes data seriously. It never shares information about your referrals and does not disclose your trading results. Everything is confidential. You are not left alone with questions. The affiliate program department is always ready to help by email. In order for cooperation to be long-lasting and successful, it's important to play by the rules. The company clearly defines Prohibited methods. You cannot deceive people or give them investment advice unless you have the rights to do so. Names or domains similar to LiteFinance must not be used to mislead people. You cannot involve affiliated persons, relatives, yourself to another accounts. Such accounts will be cancelled. Work honestly, and there will be no problems. How and when are funds withdrawn? Accrue daily automatically to your trading account. You can request a withdrawal to any of the achievable payment systems directly from the client's account. Withdrawals usually take 1 to 3 banking days. The company itself does not charge any commission for withdrawal. Only payment system can charge a commission. Don't forget to check out the markup and commission table. I have included a link to it in the description so you can accurately calculate your potential earnings. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Wishing you great success and profits. Bye.